Shit, that make you pussy throb right there.
I swear to God, I was just about to say my pussy's throbbing.
Alright, so y'all probably like, who the fuck is this? Alright, most wanted. They getting their shit work done per usual. They getting to the best spot. I can flip this right now. I'm gonna fuck up. Alright. Feel me? Yeah, what you doing?
2 headers, 1 plate.
Feel me? You excited, bro?
Hell yeah, this shit gonna be.
What you think?
I hope it's loud. I hope.
You hope?
I hope.
Somebody you hope.
Loud, right?
Shit got told me already. Talking about his hope is loud.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia. Oh hell no! That's hell no! Whoa!
Got that TOMEI dog.
Is that a TOMEI? Is that a TOMEI question mark? Yeah, so I just did the intro for him. I don't know what else to say. I'm lost.
So we back at it again, you know what I'm saying? Another video, another install. So today we're about to install some, as my boy said already, about to install some ISR headers. Long tube headers. Look at that. This shit looking clean. Oh, this shit looking very clean. Take it out of the package. Sheesh, god damn. This shit about to be obnoxious, bro.
You did not just do that.
Shit about to be obnoxious, bro. So you know we have it. We have the ISR long tube headers. And right here, what is this? Oh shit. And we got the gaskets and shit. We got the gaskets and shit. Gonna be outside.
Nice.
Right now, my current exhaust is the TOMEI, and that's it. Everything else is stock, from the headers to the TOMEI. Everything else is stock. But today we're about to change that. We about to change that. You already know the VQ starter pack. Oh shit, everything's coming out. Got the Megan Racing white pipe. Technical difficulties or what?
Heat shroud boots. The passenger side is smooth sailing, but this side, it's not as easy, man. I promise you.
I know that shit gonna be a bitch, bro. So what you think, my boy? Bro, say I just working. God damn, that shit is rusty. Damn, them shits are rusty. No more stock. No more stock. You think? Yeah. How loud is that?
I can't stand behind it. Mind you, I do this shit every day.
Yo, what we got going on, my boy?
Go under the car, go get the test pipe bolts off, and hopefully everything comes out smooth.
Yeah, see? Hopefully. But everything's good right here so far. We about to jack up the car and see what's going on. See if we could get the, I don't know if y'all can see, but them shits are rusty. Yeah. About to get those off. This side is already off. We just gotta take off the cats and the stock white pipe, and it should be smooth sailing for now.
Just gotta take the caps off.
Yeah.
Dying here, man. Driver side. Sometimes you gotta make love.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Let's take the boat out.
What the fuck is bro doing, bro? Look at bro's stand.
Oh shit. Just to get the bitch on. Just to break the boat, actually.
Boy, we're struggling and shit. I know that, bro. I know that shit fucking. I know it's not an easy job. Shit all the way down there. You trying to get the heat shield off?
Yeah, just the heat shield. That's the heat shield.
Oh my
I didn't even get to the studs yet.
Today's subject, slavery.
Mechanic me.
The life of a mechanic. So we got one side of the header out. This is what the stock header looks like, chat. And then we got the white pipe out too. God damn, this shit heavy as hell. What the hell? And now my boys over here taking out the other one. A little struggle because that side has like no space, bruh. There's like no space, right? Damn, bro, look at this shit, bro. God. Now we got the cats. We're gonna put the big boy exhaust on. I already know it's chat. We outside with it.
Courage left me the camera. Finish his recording because you know he went to go get some eat. But can't blame him because I'm hungry too. Anyway, if y'all want to do this long tube header install on your own, I say give yourself, if you got all the right tools, it took me about 3 hours. I ain't done yet, but we're gonna try and get this shit done. Let y'all know, you have to take out that steering gear, the steering wheel input, whatever that is, whatever y'all would call it. Mark it, make sure y'all get it lined up back in the right spot. I'm gonna still time to get in alignment just in case, but that's what we're gonna do. Got the old one out, I'm gonna put the new one in. Depending on who you go with, I know I did a G37 and it required me to take out the studs from the block and move it to like right here because this flange was like the other way around, if that makes sense. So just letting y'all know, if y'all want to do this yourself, expect that. But on the Z, apparently you don't have to do it. It's all the same thing. Just put it back up, bolt it down, you're done. We here at Most Wanted Auto, getting this shit done. Gonna get tuned. Anything you need, mechanical work, tunes, tints, wraps, all that shit. We do everything here. Get with me, Enrico. We out.
Holy shit. So you say we gotta put.
You gotta get your reaction.
Huh? I know. I wanna hear it. We gotta push it out to the road?
No.
You gonna turn it on?
Yeah.
I
When you back up, try not to.
got you.
Don't stall.
So, imagine. Boys done finally. Now we got the old exhaust right here. The headers and the stock cats. And now we got the white pipe. Damn, look how much I was so low, bro. That shit was rubbing. God damn. She was done, so. Okay, now she's done. Oh my god, I know this cold start gonna be crazy. What do you think?
Be obnoxious,
Oh my god. TOMEI with headers is crazy.
We're not gonna die, I promise.
You wanna see how it sounds? Hold on.
We're all gonna die.
God, that was sitting behind it. Wait, hold on, let me get my phone. I gotta get more.
That shit is so.
Alright, go. First start up.
Oh man, suspense.
Damn. Okay, first start up.
That shit loud as shit, bro.
Yo! I couldn't hear myself, bro. Damn.
I think it sounds quiet, bro. You need that flame tool.
Is it louder?
What? What happened? Oh shit, it's smoking something.
Oh shit, blow that flames on.
It ain't gonna be like the fireworks.
Yo.
That's too much fault, dude.
Not too much fault.
Too much fault.
Yo.
This is the oils from the pipes and shit. Then 1 out of 10, how loud was it? Let me ask you this: like, how was that as loud as you thought it was gonna be?
It's louder than I thought it was gonna be. Cause I saw videos and shit. I'm like, nah, bro. TOMEI, LONGTUBE headers, wipe. Oh, it's louder than I expected, bro.
I told you this shit would be obnoxious. It sounds good though. When you rip it, that shit don't sound good.
If you drop out, it's gonna like.
Yes, bro. Yeah, bro. You can rip it when you leave, but like.
Alright, record one of them.
I got you.
With you?
But they already, yeah, of course. It doesn't matter what car passes by, bro. They just,
like,
yeah, bro.
Just got her washed. Now she's all clean. Ready for later? Damn, the wheels are still dirty though. Should look kind of fire. Bro, how the hell they gonna wash one wheel and not the other wheels, bro? What kind of bullshit is that? Yeah, make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga.
Dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break.